Chain it to some more clothes, and now we're ready to go. This is the type of ring that we're going to be making. We're going to be making 4 of these. It's a stone set in a simple bezel with a standard ring on it. A half round wire. Setting these 4 pieces of turquoise that I showed you at the beginning of the other video. Plan to make the rings a size 9, all of them. It seems to be a good ring for women. Older women can wear them on one finger. Younger girls can wear them on one of their larger fingers. We're going to be using bezel wire to set them. And bezel wire comes in a whole bunch of different types. It's got some that are scalloped, straight, toothed. You can put your own designs in them if you want. They come in different thicknesses. This is about 1/4 inch, and it comes a little thinner as well. And I'm probably going to use different types of bezel wire for each individual ring. Although the actual project, the way you would go about doing it, is going to be exactly the same. Okay, well, the first thing we're going to do then is we'll just pick a wire. And I've got a little bit left of this one here, so we'll try to go ahead and use this guy up. All I'm doing is I'm taking the wire and I'm wrapping the wire around the stone. And once I got it wrapped around the stone, nice and tight, I'll take the awl, and where the 2 wires come together, I'll mark it. And I mark it by just putting a dot in it. I will file the ends of the bezel wire flat, so that when they come together with 2 flat pieces and not 2 points. It'll give you a better solder. When you buff it, you can make the solder line disappear. And you want it nice and tight around the stone. By getting it nice and tight around the stone, it sets well, it stays in the bezel well. And by marking it exactly in the right spot and then filing it down, you actually make the bezel a hair too small for the stone. But we're going to put it on an anvil when we sand it to take the solder mark off. Just putting it on the anvil, this being a fine silver wire, this isn't really sterling, this is actually like fine silver. And they do that because it's dead soft and it shapes well around stones. Putting it on the anvil just one time and tapping it a few times with a hammer to make it round, you'll actually expand it a little bit. And by expanding it a little bit, usually you'll have a dead-on perfect stone. If it's a little tight, put it back on the anvil, a few whacks with a rubber mallet or a rawhide mallet, and then just a little bit of buffing, and you can get that thing dead perfect. Take a pair of scissors. These are like really heavy duty scissors. And on that, need a pair of eyes. And on that mark, we'll just cut it 90 degrees with a pair of scissors. Like a shear. Okay. Set this out of the way. Now I like to take my favorite file. Just a couple of passes. And you'll see what looks like a knife's blade will turn into a nice flat spot. You'll get twice as much solder on that. The bezel will be stronger, and in the end it will look much better. Okay.